Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make X and Y shakes on CapCut. So after you add your clips to CapCut, just click on the first clip and go to animation and then find the rock vertically animation. Okay, set it for 0.4 seconds. Then for the next clip, select the rock horizontally, also for 0.4 seconds. Click on the check icon and then go to video effects. Opening and closing, and then select the slanted blur. Okay, adjust the blur 100 and rotate 50. Click on the check icon, make it short. Okay, and then copy it 3 times and put it under the first one like this, and copy it again, but now put it on under the next clip. So put it in here. Okay, and for the second clips, adjust the effect, blur and rotate 100. Click on the check icon and now copy it 3 times again like this, and you are done. So here is the X and Y shakes. So if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps. And okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.